Expansion. Have you ever thought of electric iron going off while still plugged in the socket? Have you ever thought of a refrigerator after steaming for some times goes off and is still plugged in the socket? Why do these things happen? Why do you think they go off after a while? The reason is simple. It is expansion. Solids, liquids, or even gas expands after heating. So because of the fact that solids expands after heating, then we have to apply it in physics. As I have just said, that the electric iron and the electric refrigerator, they all make use of this expansion of solids. What is solids? Expansion. Simply increase in length or size of a material. Now, what are the applications of this increase in length or this expansion? In engineering and every other aspect of sciences, take a look at the railway construction, take a look at the construction of bridges. They all make use of the application of expansion of metals. Take a look at the transmission cables or telegram cables. They all make use of expansion because metals or solids expands after heating. What do I mean by this? Now, when you look at electric cables, they normally sag as a result of increase in length. The same thing with railway tracks. They give gaps to allow it for expansion. So if not, there will be a kind of buckling, and then that will distract or cause derailing in terms of when train is passing through the rail. But basically, what we are going to be looking at here is bimetallic strips. When we now combine two different metals of different conductivity or thermal expansion. So when you combine them, they are called bimetallic strips, and they can be used in refrigerators and electric pressing iron to control the contact point, because expansion causes what? A bimetallic strip to curve away with the one with a higher expansion capability or lower thermal capacity to expand more than the other one, and it curves away with the longer side being outside. So this is the reason why your electric iron will always what? Go off, or the fridge go off after some times, because the element used in making the heating element is expanding, and then it is bending away from the contact point, and that is why expansion take place and then disconnect the electric iron, and that is a way of protecting it uh, from overheating and thereby maybe burning your clothes or causing any other hazard in the